Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? Grid, container, row, column, and more. Let's start coding. We use grid for creating structure of our website design. Let's create container first. This is our main container and we need to create a row. And lastly, we need to create a column. Column 1. Let's copy and paste, create two more columns. Column 2 and 3. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see our column. Let's assign background to see it properly. PG primary, PG info, PG warning. Let's save it and have a look at it one more time. You see guys, they are our columns. As you notice, I use SM next to our column class. We can use MD, LG, XL to determine size of our screen. So that one is small size screen. Let me reduce width of our browser and have a look at view of our columns. You see guys, we see our column under each other. Let me make it wider and let's change that one MD, MD, MD. Let's save it. Let's reduce size of our browser one more time. You see guys, it is wider than small. It is medium size. So we see our column like this. Let me change with SM again. Save it. You see guys, our columns design has changed because our browser size is wider than small size. Let's make it small size. You see? So that's why we use those things next to our column. Let me copy and paste one more time that one. HR and paste it. Let's remove those things. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, our column positions is not changing. Second one, but first one is changing because you edit SM. So that is the difference. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.